What do you need?
Can you lower my car?
You ready for the Yoda fitment? I got you. I already have a coilover for you. Let's do it.
And I want nerdy steering wheel, bucket seat, and cute shift knob.
Okay, I got all that for you. Let's do it. I got you. Let's drop this real quick. So this thing still has a stock old OEM coils, and she said she's ready for the Kota fitment. So we're gonna dump this thing right now. I also got this Recaro Ultimate Edition semi bucket reclinable, chilling with the R34 seat rail driver's side. So I just gonna give it to her. And Lino got this Nardi wheel for her birthday from Uncle, so we're gonna throw it in. And the Q shift knob is in here. Thank you, Limit Break. They reached out to me and they have a glow LED shifter, and I told them Lino wants pink glowing shifter, and they made it. So we will install that too. But first, let's lower it. Put this HKS coil on. So I got her a Grady coilovers, and I already put my old springs. It was in my car. 18K front, and this is 8K for rear. And we'll just dump it on this. Quick job. Alright, let's do it. I got the big one. Don't worry. Got it out. We're installing the Grady. Look at how much shorter it is. Dropping like this much. Got 20 mil spacer. And you see it from here? Fitment. I know it's gonna be good. Let's drop it. Huh? Gonna do the other side and drop it. Front's really easy. Well, I still have to do alignment later. But for now, I'm just gonna swap the coilovers and do the rear. Rear, I have to take a seat, so a little bit more stuff to do, but fairly easy. So good. Perfect. Perfect height. Perfect fitment. Barely one finger. Ooh. Do you like it? Oh, it'll be sick. Oh, look at that. Fisherman's watching too. Or the completely opposite stand. My 180. My 180's wheeling. Fronts up, rears down. The nose fronts down, rears up. Let's do the rear end. Onto the rear. Lino's taking the rear seats out. And I'm about to take the wheels off and swap the coils. Her interior is so clean since we cleaned it. Got one side off. this is what we are installing. Look at that difference. Easy. Alright, we just finished installing the coilovers. Let's see how it is. Katayo. Okay. Then I gotta adjust a little bit, drop the rear a little bit, but alright. Here's the 3-inch drop or so. Looking good. Okay, so final result. Finally lowered it, but I will drop 20 mil on the rear. And let's change this stocky seat to the Recaro over there. Oh, she says she knows how to take the seat off. She doesn't need my help. And after the seat, we'll do shift knob and steering wheel. Easy. Just lower like 20 mil. This should be good.
Oh, ちょうどいい。おー、いいね。
Woohoo! Easy. Oh, let's show you guys the seat.
あ、そうだ。
Let's sit in it. Adjust it to your position.
もう超これいい。
Adjust it. And 背もたれも。いい感じ？
めっちゃいい。
Okay.
このフィット感超好き。
Alright, 2 more things to do. Glow shift knob and Nardi. I gotta go get the hub for SKYLINE still. I don't know what this is for, but I have in Stadia, I'm gonna put stock steering wheel back on and take the hub off for this. Coming along, let's open it up. Ooh. Put it on, see how. Oh, we have to do this wiring for LED, but you get the idea. Like this, shifting. Let's take the panels. We're just gonna put it to these 2 lines. Just installed it. Let's see.
Woo! かわいいじゃん。
Pink LED shift knob.
かわいい。
Oh, it's nice to shift. Try it.
Oh. 超やりやすい。
Well, go check them out. They already has a new design. Limit brake. I'll tag them right here. But their packaging is awesome. Real carbon tube and foam inside. Creative people. And they already have new design shift knob. And they got so many different color LED. You gotta change this to pink. Here's your pinked out car now. Last thing. Well, thank you, Limit Brake, for this LED shift knob for Lino. She loves it.
ありがと
It matches too. And lastly, we gotta put a Nardi steering wheel as she asked. Let's go steal it from Stadia. Alright, this thing came out awesome. We're still gonna go get steering wheel, but fitment is getting better. this height, she can still drive without breaking anything. Not like this yet. Safe zone. We didn't even roll the fender. Good fitment. No roll yet. Maybe we'll do that. We're planning to get rear valencer, add-on lip, add-on OEM side skirt. Maybe we'll fit it out better after that. Let's go get steering wheel hub from one of my car. I got this steering wheel out of the Stagia. It's exactly same Nardi wheel. The one Lino got is this one's pretty clean, but there's scratches. Lino's are like immaculate. Super good condition. All we need is a hub from this steering wheel, but since the hub cover is painted red, we want to paint it black, but we're gonna do sunlight soon, so we're gonna do B-roll first, and then I'll paint this black nicely and install the steering wheel later.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, that's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't bust a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom.
Thank you, son, for best awesome lighting. Time for the B-roll of this. Well, success. It was success. Are you happy?
I'm super happy.
Awesome. You got yourself Recaro
Great jockey.
pink clone shifter coming along. Let's go back to the house. Well, that's a wrap. We got coilovers in. I still have to check alignment later. I'll do it lonely in the garage later at night. I'll just check the toe and paint the steering hub cover thing to black, but we got a lot done today. Shifter is in. Thank you Limit Brake for the custom pink color LED shift knob, and luckily I was nice enough to give her one of my Recaro seat. Well, you're renting it. For what? Whatever. But finally T looks nice. No more gap between the fender and wheel. Oh, I can't wait to cruise in both our R34s. Mine and hers. Alright. Try it. First time. End the vlog in English.
何もヒントくれないの？ねえ待っていきなりすぎ。Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Smash the like button
and See you guys next time.
See you guys next time.
じゃあね。止まってよ。え